Welcome to Maths Physics, and then we're doing a physics problem. Then we have the distance there, which is the range 77 meter, angle of launch is 12 degrees, takeoff speed, that's what we need to find out. So we go through and check the range, the equation of the range, with the range symbolized by r, initial velocity squared over the gravitational acceleration multiplied by the sine of the angle, the sine of the double angle of launch. And range takeoff, that's what we need to know. Determine the takeoff speed, which is initial velocity. G is 9.8 meter per second squared. Gravitational acceleration, initial speed. Initial is degree, that's actually initial launching speed. So initial angle, launching angle theta of 12 degrees, launching angle of 12 degrees. And then we know that we need to find the initial velocity, of which we don't know. The range, I remember 2 theta is going to be 2 times 12 degrees, so that's going to be 24 degrees. And then what we need to do, we need to substitute the equation as equation again, sine, that's going to be sine 24 degrees. And range, our range is 77.0 meter. And let's just draw the scenario, the situation whereby you have that, so you have point A and then you have point B, and then launched at that particular part, and then this is the degrees, which is 12 degrees. So the distance between A and B is what we call range. That distance there, that's what we call range, the horizontal distance. So the range there is what we are given the information for, and we need to find the launching speed. So 77 meter is equals to initial velocity squared over gravitational acceleration, which is 9.8 meter per second squared, and multiplied by sine 24 degrees. And then we need to make the initial subject of the formula. So multiplying by 9.8 both sides, and then we have initial velocity is going to be 77.0 multiplied by 9.8 meter per second squared. That's going to be meter per second squared, and then divided by sine. So we divide both sides by sine 24 degrees, and then we get the square root of that information. So the square root of that will be 43.1 meter per second. That's our answer. But let's just get the calculation from the calculator. 77 times 9.8 divided by sine 24 gives us 1855, and so root of our answer is 43.07. Rounding off to 1 decimal place is 43.1. That's a final answer. That's the speed at which it launched. And this is your tutor, Black Adam 5D because I do different subjects. Like when you do maths and physics, you still need to mix it up with other subjects as well. Physics goes about with different subjects, so don't hesitate if you have accounting problem, chemistry, mathematics, both high school and tertiary level. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow or subscribe.